As stated, there are no return vents in the house, and there is only one heating register. The register would be found in the center or middle of the house on the first floor. It is very large, approximately 31.5-inch square. Extremely heavy. With a dust collector, which is unnecessary. This was painted a gold color by the seller, and will get redone at some point. As you can see in here, heat rises through the middle, and with convection, cold air would funnel down through the corners, and that way create a circulatory heating system. The heat rises. These are usually placed near the steps if there is a stairwell, and it functions extremely well. There is very limited controls, very limited moving parts. Basically, it's a thermocouple and a burner. That's it. There's no blower as stated, so no moving parts to maintain. I do have to vacuum out the inside of the unit and this one also, and I will probably be removing the dust catcher, which should make it even warmer inside. And by the way, I've been running this baby at 58-59 degrees, and it is quite cozy. She's working very, very well. And that's the Gravity Furnace by American Standard.